If you're thinking about buying a hybrid car, UK dealers are absolutely panicking right now. Forecourts are rotting with unsold stock, resale values have completely collapsed, and thousands of owners are now financially trapped with no way out. Here are the 11 cars. Number 11. The MG ZS Hybrid. MG promised affordable Chinese-built hybrid efficiency for budget-conscious UK buyers seeking value. The ZS Hybrid has become a troubling case study in poor quality control and inadequate factory testing. MG's infotainment system crashes repeatedly, leaving drivers without navigation during critical journeys. The hybrid battery management system shows consistent software failures that prevent proper charging. Owners report vehicles stuck in error modes, unable to switch between petrol and electric power smoothly. The regenerative braking system engages unexpectedly, causing sudden deceleration that terrifies passengers. Brake pedal feel is unpredictable, with inconsistent responsiveness between journeys. The air suspension, despite premium positioning claims, fails repeatedly with repair costs exceeding £2,800. Electrical diagnostic work averages £1,500 per visit. Service backlogs extend to 12 weeks. Interior materials feel cheap. Seat fabrics deteriorate after 18 months with visible wear patterns. Dashboard trim cracks from sunlight exposure. Insurance costs exceed £2,000 annually. Depreciation approaches 58% after 3 years. The hybrid battery shows capacity loss exceeding 15% within 30 months. Real-world electric range drops dramatically from official figures. Owners describe the ZS Hybrid as deeply unreliable and frustrating. Number 10. The Haval Jolion Pro Hybrid. The Haval Jolion Pro from GWM promised affordable hybrid efficiency for UK buyers. Top Gear reviewers described it as one of the least inspiring cars they had driven, scoring just 3 out of 10. During testing, the battery failed within 60 seconds. The drivetrain is noisy and unrefined. Ride quality is poor, with suspension thuds over minor bumps. The infotainment system freezes regularly, trapping drivers without navigation or any usable map. Owners report mysterious battery drainage without warning signs. Boot capacity is just 255 litres, making family use impractical. Interior materials feel cheap, with poor finish quality throughout. The hybrid system produces loud whirring sounds during acceleration. Transmission switching between power sources is clunky and unreliable. Electrical glitches plague ownership, with numerous documented system failures. Power windows fail unexpectedly, creating safety concerns. Climate control malfunctions leave occupants uncomfortable. Water leaks appear inside the cabin from poorly sealed door frames. Service centres struggle to diagnose issues due to insufficient training. 3-year depreciation approaches 60%. Dealers report difficulty accepting trade-ins, citing battery failure risk. Number 9. The Volkswagen ID.Buzz Pro plug-in hybrid. Volkswagen positioned the ID.Buzz Pro plug-in hybrid as a retro-styled family vehicle, combining electric efficiency with practicality. The complex plug-in hybrid system creates numerous failure points, affecting multiple systems simultaneously. The high-voltage battery management demonstrates repeated software defects, causing emergency shutdowns during normal driving. Owners report sudden power loss on motorways without warning lights. The hybrid drivetrain creates violent jerking sensations, wearing suspension prematurely. Owners require expensive suspension repairs at 40,000 miles, far below expected service intervals. Replacement suspension components exceed £3,000 per visit. The charging system incorporates multiple failure points, requiring repeated dealer interventions. Battery thermal systems fail regularly, causing dangerous overheating. Repair bills for hybrid-specific failures exceed £4,500 consistently. Volkswagen dealerships report lack of hybrid specialists, creating 12-week waiting periods. Vehicles remain undrivable during extended service waits. The regenerative braking system engages unexpectedly, causing sudden deceleration incidents. Interior space proves limited despite retro styling promises. Climate control malfunctions. Infotainment systems freeze regularly. Service managers report battery failure risk uncertainty. Owner satisfaction ranks among the lowest in Volkswagen's current range. Insurance premiums exceed £2,300 annually. Depreciation reaches 59% after 36 months. Dealers refuse trade-in acceptances. Number 8. The Citroen C5 Aircross plug-in hybrid. Citroen promised French engineering refinement in a spacious family plug-in hybrid. The C5 Aircross plug-in hybrid demonstrates consistent battery capacity loss far exceeding manufacturer estimates. Real-world electric range drops dramatically within 18 months of ownership. The hybrid system integration between petrol and electric motors creates unpredictable behavior and responsiveness issues. Battery degradation reduces range by 20% within 30 months, consistently. The air suspension demonstrates design weaknesses, causing failures that affect system performance. Replacement batteries cost £5,200 outside warranty, devastating owner finances. Service centres struggle to diagnose faults due to complexity throughout the hybrid system architecture. The high-voltage battery demonstrates unexpected discharge during operation and storage periods. Charging systems have documented failure points across the electrical infrastructure. Insurance costs exceed £2,100 annually. Depreciation reaches 61% after 3 years. Dealers refuse all trade-ins, citing reliability concerns. Residual value collapse continues, accelerating downward monthly. Service waiting periods extend to a minimum of 14 weeks. Owners report being stranded repeatedly despite charged batteries. Transmission problems compound reliability concerns. Infotainment systems crash regularly. Power windows fail unexpectedly. Interior trim deteriorates with cheap materials. Climate control malfunctions. Suspension makes constant clunking sounds. Number 7. The Genesis GV70 Hybrid. Genesis promised Hyundai's luxury division reliability combined with sophisticated Korean engineering. The word to remember here is reliability. The GV70 Hybrid shows endemic battery management failures that can trigger limp mode at random. Owners report dangerous limp mode activation on motorways without warning lights. Battery degradation can reduce range by 18% within 24 months. The cooling system shows design weaknesses that cause failures. Replacement batteries cost £5,400 outside warranty coverage. Service centres struggle to diagnose these faults, with waiting times extending beyond 12 weeks. Insurance premiums exceed £2,000 a year. Depreciation approaches 60% quickly. Dealers refuse all trade-in offers completely. The electrical architecture can cause cascading failures when primary components fail. Infotainment systems freeze regularly. Climate control malfunctions consistently. Power windows fail unexpectedly. The hybrid system integration produces rough gear changes and delayed engagement. Transmission diagnostics cost a minimum of £1,500. Repair processes often uncover multiple failed components, which can double initial estimates. Interior materials deteriorate with visible cracking. Seats feel uncomfortable on long journeys. Dashboard trim can come loose through normal use. Used examples flood the market at heavily discounted prices. Owners describe ownership as frustrating and expensive. If you are considering any hybrid vehicle, avoid these models entirely and instead focus on proven, reliable options with strong ownership records. Subscribe for more detailed vehicle analysis that protects your family finances from catastrophic ownership mistakes. Hit that notification bell to stay informed about dangerous vehicles affecting UK drivers and their retirement planning. Number 6. The Chery Tiggo 7 plug-in hybrid. Chery positioned the Tiggo 7 PHEV as a spacious 7-seater and as the winner of CarWow's Car of the Year Award 2026. What owners discovered was poor hybrid integration, creating unreliable ownership experiences. The plug-in hybrid system shows recurring software failures that repeatedly prevent proper charging. Owners report error modes that stop efficient petrol power operation. The regenerative braking system can engage unexpectedly. The air suspension becomes highly problematic, with repairs regularly exceeding £3,000. Electrical diagnostic work averages £1,800 per visit. The battery cooling system shows design weaknesses, and the charging systems include multiple failure points. Service backlogs extend repair timelines to a minimum of 14 weeks. The infotainment freezes constantly, and the climate control frequently malfunctions. Interior trim deteriorates dramatically, with cheap materials despite the premium positioning. Insurance costs exceed £2,000 annually. Depreciation rapidly approaches 60% after 3 years. The hybrid battery shows capacity loss greater than 12% within 24 months. The charging port frequently malfunctions and prevents proper charging. Service specialists are hard to find outside major cities. Residual values remain disappointing for owners. Number 5. The Skoda Superb Iridium plug-in hybrid. Skoda promised check engineering reliability in an executive-class plug-in hybrid. The Superb IV demonstrates endemic battery management issues, triggering system failures repeatedly. The high-voltage battery shows unexpected discharge patterns during use and storage. Charging systems incorporate multiple failure points, causing repeated dealer visits. The hybrid drivetrain creates jerking sensations during acceleration. Owners report rough gear changes between electric and petrol modes constantly. The cooling system demonstrates design weaknesses. Replacement batteries cost £6,000 outside warranty. Service centres struggle diagnosing issues due to system complexity. Insurance costs exceed £2,200 a year. Depreciation reaches 62% after 36 months. Dealers refuse trade-in offers. The service waiting periods extend to at least 14 weeks. Infotainment systems crash regularly. Power windows fail unexpectedly. Interior materials deteriorate with cheap finishes. Number 4. The Infiniti QX50 Hybrid. Infiniti promised Japanese luxury reliability in a sophisticated hybrid package. The QX50 demonstrates consistent battery capacity loss, far exceeding manufacturer estimates. Real-world electric range drops dramatically from official figures within 18 months. The hybrid system integration creates unpredictable vehicle behavior and responsiveness. Battery degradation reduces range by 20% within 30 months of ownership. The cooling system shows design weaknesses that cause failures that affect performance. Replacement batteries cost £4,700 outside warranty, devastating owner finances. Service centres struggle to diagnose faults because the system is complex. The high-voltage battery shows unexpected discharge issues during operation. Charging systems have documented failure points. Insurance costs exceed £2,200 a year. Depreciation reaches 63% after 36 months. Dealers refuse all trade-ins completely. Service waiting periods extend to a minimum of 10 weeks. Owners report being stranded repeatedly despite charged batteries. Number 3. The Renault Austral Hybrid. Renault's positioned the Austral Hybrid as a stylish compact SUV for European buyers seeking efficiency. In practice, the Austral Hybrid shows poor hybrid integration and unreliable ownership experiences. The plug-in system has repeated software failures that prevent proper charging. Owners report vehicles stuck in error modes, unable to run correctly on petrol power. The battery management system can trigger limp mode randomly during normal driving. The air suspension fails frequently, with repair costs exceeding £3,000. Electrical diagnostic work averages £1,800 per visit. The cooling system has weaknesses that cause failures affecting performance. Charging systems include multiple failure points. The transmission can create violent jerking between modes. Service backlogs extend timelines to a minimum of 14 weeks. Infotainment systems freeze constantly, and climate control frequently malfunctions. Interior trim deteriorates, showing cheap materials. Insurance can exceed £2,000 annually. Number 2. The Suzuki Vitara Full Hybrid. Suzuki promised reliability in the Vitara Full Hybrid, but the system proves fundamentally problematic. The hybrid drivetrain creates jerking sensations during normal acceleration. The regenerative braking system can engage unexpectedly and cause sudden deceleration. The battery management system shows persistent software failures. Real-world fuel economy is disappointing compared to official claims. The battery cooling system fails repeatedly and affects performance. Electrical systems are unreliable with frequent failures throughout ownership. Insurance costs exceed £2,000 annually for comprehensive coverage. Depreciation reaches 58% rapidly after purchase. Dealers refuse trade-ins, citing reliability concerns. Service costs are expensive despite Suzuki's reputation. Interior materials deteriorate quickly with visible cracking. Owners describe frustration with the ownership experience. The hybrid system integration has proved unsuccessful. Battery capacity can deteriorate dramatically within months. Number 1. The Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. Hyundai positioned the Ioniq Hybrid as an efficient sedan combining reliability with affordability. The Ioniq Hybrid demonstrates endemic battery management failures that affect performance significantly. Battery degradation reduces range dramatically within 24 months of ownership. The hybrid system integration between petrol and electric motors creates unpredictable behavior and responsiveness. The cooling system shows design weaknesses that cause failures affecting performance. Replacement batteries cost £4,900 outside the warranty period. Service centers struggle to diagnose issues because of complexity across the system architecture. The high-voltage battery shows unexpected discharge patterns during normal operation. Charging systems include multiple failure points. Insurance premiums exceed £2,000 annually. Depreciation reaches 60% after 3 years. Dealers refuse trade-in offers completely. Service waiting periods extend a minimum of 12 weeks. Infotainment systems crash regularly during operation. The catastrophic nature of hybrid ownership failures goes beyond simple mechanical breakdowns. Owners across all 11 vehicle models report systematic patterns of financial entrapment where repair costs exceed vehicle residual values. Battery replacement alone represents 50 to 60% of second-hand market value for vehicles aged 5 to 7 years old. This creates a scenario where a moderately priced hybrid repair bill transforms an otherwise functional vehicle into an economic write-off. Insurance companies have responded to documented hybrid reliability patterns by increasing premiums substantially above conventional petrol vehicle equivalents. Owners report comprehensive coverage exceeding £2,000 to £2,500 annually, compared to £800 to £1,200 for comparable non-hybrid SUVs. Breakdown cover providers have extended response times specifically for hybrid vehicles due to specialist technician unavailability. Dealership networks across the UK report service backlogs, extending 12 to 16 weeks for hybrid-specific repairs. Independent garages refuse hybrid repairs entirely, lacking diagnostic equipment and specialised training. Owners become forced to use main dealerships, creating artificial monopolies that enable inflated repair pricing and extended service timelines, rendering vehicles unusable during critical periods. Those are the 11 worst hybrid cars you must avoid in the UK right now. Each is backed by extensively documented reliability data and owner experiences from thousands of people affected by these systematic failures during ownership. If you recognise your vehicle, contact your dealer immediately for a complete diagnostic inspection of all hybrid systems. If you are shopping for hybrids, avoid every single one of these vehicles without exception. The financial consequences of purchasing one of these defective hybrids are simply too severe to ignore. Drive smart, buy smart, and we'll see you very soon next time.